Hey, it's the Ultimate Handyman. Today I want to show you how easy it is to bend wood paneling around a bullnose corner. So to curve the wood around the wall, I actually made a template for this side because there was a lot of intricate cuts around the vanity and the vanity top. And I also had an electrical switch and an outlet to cut out on this side. So I just used some scrap paneling and some scrap pieces of plywood and some green electrical tape to act as like a hinge where my bend will be made. So now all I have to do is transfer this pattern to my paneling in the garage. So I just cut my panel out using the template. I also marked where the hinge will be, basically where I bend the panel around the wall. I'm going to flip this over and cut a series of grooves in the back side of the panel, right where the bullnose will be. And I'm leaving about just a little bit under 1/8 of an inch on the front face so that you don't see these grooves. And this is going to help bend it around that corner. Will give the plywood enough space so that it can flex and give. And I'm going to be taking some water and pouring it in these grooves and then soaking the front face of this so that that wood will soften up and it'll make it that much easier to bend around the wall. So to attach the paneling to the wall, I ended up using a combination of some Loctite power grab mixed with some pin nails and some 15 gauge nails from my cordless nail guns. So I wasn't actually able to film the part where I bent the paneling around the corner. I didn't have my tripod that day and I needed 2 hands to do this part of the job. It came out pretty darn good. I did get a few cracks on this piece of paneling. Now in order to fix that, if you get a crack, it's really simple. Just use some super fast, thin super glue and squirt that in all the cracks. And basically, I squirted it on this whole bend area. And what that's going to do is that's going to basically harden up where all those cuts were in the wood. And it'll make this thing rock solid. And then it'll stabilize all those cracks so they don't move on you. And then you can use your fillers and sand everything nice and round. And once you paint this, you're never going to notice that it cracked. The other paneling I did previously didn't crack at all and it came out perfect. So sometimes things like that happen on job sites. Sometimes pieces will go in smooth and other times they will crack and then you got to sand and fill them. So if you have any questions about the process of bending the paneling around the corner, feel free to leave them in the comments. I will get back to you as soon as I can with hopefully an answer that helps you out. Now before you end this video, can you do me a huge favor? Can you please like, share, and subscribe? And if you want to see more videos like this, ring that notification bell so you can be notified when I post my latest how-to videos. And with that said, I want to thank you all for watching, and I will see you the next episode. And oh yeah, don't forget to check out my other videos right here.